Hey guys, with little cookie pose. Such a messy eater. I'm gonna go wrinkles. And don't be coming over to my side. Jelly beans. You can eat these. More popcorn for you. I get jelly beans. Okay. Here's the key. Okay. Get it real close so you guys can read it. Pause it if you need to. Okay, so we're gonna try pear. Very pear. Okay, here you go, Bubs. He's very passionate about his popcorn. Okay. Let's try apple. Pretty good. Much better than the pear. Okay. I know bees. Oh, I love you, puppy. Okay. Watermelon. Okay, I really like the watermelon. If you guys didn't know, watermelon's like my favorite summer thing. Braces. You certainly just made a love racket. Coat. Hey. These if I just want to eye the Bailey beans. I thought my mom was coming upstairs and I was like, I gotta go down. She doesn't like Kitty on the table. But that's okay. Braces. He's just eyeing my jelly beans. Okay. think this is a mango. Mango. This one's passion fruit. He really thinks he's getting some. It looks like wax for braces. He's like, you keep saying you love me, but you're not giving me none of them jelly beans. Jelly beans are the best. Sorry, I had something in my eye. Boy, if you don't get your got my passion fruit. That wasn't the passion fruit. That was banana split. I tasted the banana immediately. Something didn't taste right, and then I noticed it was the banana. Having a cute doggo here makes everything much better. Okay, now let's do my favorite. Strawberry smoothie. So good. You guys can imagine that was the first one I tried. He has so much extra skin. Aww. You're so cute, I could just eat you up. He's like, okay, and that'll be okay. He's used to this already. Excuse me, sir. Don't be sniffing at my jelly beans. Okay. Bro, chill. Broski. Watermelon. I haven't tried this already. I just looked at the banana split again. Let's try this one. Child. See? He knows he's not supposed to eat it. Boy, if you don't get you. I just accidentally signed you. Yeah, I know sign language. I'm cool. I had a few deaf friends. Also, there are times I can't speak, so I sign things because I know how to sign. None of these are signed, but that's fine. Because this is... I know you're not deaf, Pearl. It's okay. This guy is, though. Yeah, right, Bubba. Koa. 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 We're just going to take a moment of silence here for this adorable little thing. Wait. Can you guys tell that these are two different colors? This one's more red. This one be purple. Which one did I just put in my mouth? The more red or the more purple? And if so, what flavor did you think it was? Let me know in the comments. I'll tell you guys at the end. Boop-a-doo. More coconut. Child, you just licked this thing 100 times. Bro. Guess she doesn't like coconut. And, I wonder if I chew it up. You just spit this shit out, bro. I'm crushing it with my finger. Give me a sec. Well, he liked it. Lucky Charms. They're magically delicious. They actually are really good. You're such a goofy dog. Okay. Ooh. No, this one mine. You know what? 2 of them. Each one can be yours. Say what, Coke? Okay, whatever one I get. Definitely didn't just repick. It was a grape, so I didn't want it. This one's the passion fruit. So good. Like you. Tiny dog, what are you doing? Oh, okay, come here. Was this just your little plan to get to my jelly beans? Okay. I love you. Okay. Ow. He kicked my 5. Okay, so he's gonna go wander. Have a popcorn for participating. Popcorn is so good. Regal popcorn. Really good. Watch the new Jujutsu Kaisen movie. I went last night. So fucking good. Oh my god. I kind of want to go watch it again. I'm not gonna lie. That was really good. Like, really good. Also, Studio Ghibli is releasing their movies back into theaters. So for any of my Studio Ghibli fans, Princess Mononoke should be coming out around April. And if my girlfriend's watching this, maybe during your birthday, if I can make it down there. If. Don't get your hopes up. But maybe we can go watch Princess Mononoke together. And if I can't make it down there for my birthday, I'll bring a few Studio Ghibli movies and we can watch them together, okay? Because I know how much you like Studio Ghibli. I have Totoro and Kiki's Delivery Service, but I can pull up a bunch of them online, so we can just watch them together and we can watch any one you want, okay? Love you, hun. Okay, anyway, back to jelly boons. Okay. This one's still there. It was sensory issues. Okay. So we haven't tried a lot of them yet. I will inhale the jelly beans now. Okay, so with you guys, I haven't tried coconut. And just so you know, hun, the coconut song is starting to grow on me. I know I said I hated it, but like, starting to grow on me, okay? And I know you're probably doing a little happy dance right now because of that, but coconut's okay. I'm not the hugest fan of coconut. I don't mind it though. I like coconut milk. It's good. I think my girlfriend is like the only person who like religiously watches my shows / videos. Oh no, I said shows. Don't got any of those yet. Keyword. Yeah. Give me 2 seconds. There. Okay. Took me a second to be able to sign T. It's okay. So I just signed yet, if you guys didn't know sign language. Y-E-T. No, it is not the same as M. This is M. This is T. Different. Okay? Bye. Just kidding. Jelly boons. Okay. I don't know why, but that invoked tears in me. Okay, now let me just... Don't ask me why. Oh no, I don't know. Now my eyes look really shiny. Yes, somebody is dating me. Don't ask me why. They're the one who decided to do it, not me. But I didn't decide to be like this. I'm just free about how I am. I think I'm still chewing the coconut. What was coconut the last one I ate? ADHD. I don't know. My underwear's so tight. Ooh! Oh, that's actually so cool. Okay. So, these landed in order, just like this, on my laptop. Okay, which one is this? This is the banana split. I'm gonna cry. Okay, it's the passion fruit. We're good. I'm still staring at you, banana split. I don't like you. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, back. Not my speech. Anyway. Love you, hon. Just want to say that because I do. Okay. I just thought about how funny it would be if someone made 2 different channels and then like slightly altered their voice so it sounded like a different person and like pretended to date that person even though they're completely lonely. That'd be really funny. But then again, like one channel shows their face and the other one doesn't. So that way, you know, like, why am I coming up with this plan? I don't know. I come up with weird things. Okay, it's the peach. Anyone that is remotely orange, I'm terrified that it's going to be the banana split. Okay, guys? So, Beep, beep, beep. Oh, I gotta be right back one more time. Okay, I'm back. Give it 2 seconds. Okay, that's not gonna do anything. Arceus, Pokemon's Arceus.
Who are you talking to? Maybe YouTube?
Yes, Mother, I'm recording a YouTube video. When I'm tasting jelly boons. And 3 of them that were like lined up in different colors, like perfectly, like a red, an orange, and a yellow, lined up perfectly, and I was like, this is great. Also, I tasted the banana split and I spit it out immediately. It's disgusting.
Banana, no bueno.
Mm-mm.
I had to heat my
Ooh,
coffee and then
this is a
brew it.
raspberry. Ooh, it's good. Also, it's been chilling in my hand for a second, so it was warm.
Warm raspberry cobbler.
That
I
sounds
can't
good.
wait for summer when we can make cobblers.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Hey, guys, you can see me. Hi. Ooh, now it's going to be like an infinite loop. That is great. Okay, but no. Arceus. Pokemon's Arceus. Let me just take this time to advertise how great Pokemon Arceus is. It's great. The RPG is amazing. Also, I'm just chilling by some hippopotamuses, and now I'm going to call on Braviary. Braviary, a bird. He's a board. Oh, hi, Rhyhorn. You're an alpha, so I'm not going to mess with you right now. Even though I could totally beat you. Wait, which ones do I have on me? Never mind, I could not beat you right now. I don't have a single water type. Oh, fun time. Braces. Anyway. Oh, hi, Hunter. Who's that? Pokerman! Hunter! Whee! Ah, dang it. Man, why you gotta do me like that? That's annoying. Also, take this as a lesson, honey. Get farther into the story for Pokemon Arceus. You've had it longer than me, and I've already completed the storyline, and you haven't. Get on it! Ew, Sneasler. Gross. Wait, no, that's just a Sneasel. I don't like Sneasels. I'm scared of Sneasels. Sneasels are scary. They run at you. That's like my one big fear is Sneasels. Because they freaking come running at you. And it's like, bro, go away. No one freaking likes them. Except now I have to catch them. And I have to put all my doubts aside. Oh no, Geodude's on me. Crap. Just specifically because I have to complete the Pokedex so I can get Arceus. I need Arceus. Because Arceus finally got their own game, and I was waiting for so freaking long for Arceus to get their own game. And then Palkia and Dialga had to steal the spotlight in Arceus. And I'm mad about that. Yes, I'm mad. They already have their own game. Man, like, if you're gonna put them in Arceus, make them not have their own game. But Diamond and Pearl are really good. They're cute. They're so cute. Oh, I'm flying into the ocean. Hold on. They have, like, they brought back the old style. Ooh, hi, Carnivine. Whee! Also, can we just sit here and listen to this bomb-ass music? This is the nighttime music, and it's great. fun fact. They just fixed this thing right here when you were to... Okay, give me 2 seconds. Ow! Damage. Oh yeah, you can take damage as a character in this game, which is new. Oh, no, that was... Haha, that's my bad. Okay, anyway, so when you were doing this right here, this would glitch and show double of it. So it would look like a ghost, sort of. They fixed that. So that's nice. Also, when you're just chilling on Braviary and you're not flying, he slowly goes down. But he's annoying because he can't go up. So you gotta like land to go higher. It's annoying. See, because when you call on him, he goes up. The reason I was doing that multiple times is because I was calling him, then falling, then calling, then falling, then calling. I call it the call and fall. It's really nice. Stop dusting yourself up. It's freaking raining. Anyway, so with Ursaluna, he's pretty cool. Oop. See, he found something, so now he's doing that, and the closer you get to it, the more, what's it called? It gets. Sneasler can climb up stuff. Okay, now call back on Ursaluna. And when he finds something, that shows up. And then all you have to do, hit Y, and he digs. Yay! What did I find? Woo! This is actually new. Hold on, what is this? Part of a series of old poems. Ooh, I want to read this. Poems that have been unearthed around the Hisui region. Judging from the handwriting, it appears they were all written by the same person. Would you like to read it? Yes. Throughout Hisui, plates lie scattered. Plates with powers, all diverse. Yeah, I know this already, bro. If this is supposed to be a hint, I know. Forever lasting, each inscribed with eternal prayers verse. Through space and time, they will bear secret wishes for the universe. Dyslexia. Just kidding, it's just ADHD. Not being a freaking Carnivine. This is the first one you get. This is Wiredeer. Wiredeer is pretty cool. You can like just dash and you move a lot faster than if you were to just run. And also, B is not run anymore. So, it's crouch. Because you can crouch in the grass. Hey, what the hell? No. Ooh. Look what I found. You hear that? That's a little spirit. Okay, I'm gonna touch it now. How many? Only 3 left in the area. Let's go. Hey, don't notice me, Bronzong. I don't exist. Ah! Whee! Okay, now I'm gonna run up the side of this with Sneasler. Let's go. Whee! We just gonna chill. Yeah, go. Hi, Golduck. And this guy, Basculegion, or whatever he's called. No, I don't want to be Sneasler right now. Wiredeer! Whee! Okay, now I need Sneasler again. Now I need Wiredeer again. I'm back where I started. Okay. Well. Basculegion! It doesn't matter how high you fall. If you get in the water, you gonna be chill. It's like Minecraft. You could fall like 6 billion blocks. If you land in the water, you gonna be chill. Call him Basque Legion. He gonna save your ass. Anywho. Oh, ha! I got so freaking distracted. Anyway, I'm gonna save right now. I'm gonna save. Oh wait, it's oh no, it's just impossible to save in the sky. Hacks. If you want to tell your parents you can't save currently, just pull up the saves and then get on Braviary, cause then you can't save. Hacks, guys. Hacks. Anyway, okay, time to close out a Pokemon Arceus. Time for me to advertise my amazing case. I mean, look at it. It's gorgeous. Also, specifically for my girlfriend, your ring, madame. Promise ring. But, give me 2 seconds. I'll go grab the other one. Do I even know where they are? I didn't lose them. Don't worry. I might have lost them. I'll find them eventually. They also just might be in my bag. No, I don't want sword. I mean, not that I have sword. I have shield. More jelly boon tasting, but give me 2 seconds. Okay, so oh wow, my eye looks really weird if I do this. Hi. Wait, if I do this with both eyes. Hi yo. Oh no, we gotta wait for my sight to return. No. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys don't like this song because it's been overplayed, but that's whatever. It's your problem. Let's go to my anime playlist. Okay. Can we just talk about how good this is? Okay, anyway. Wild cherry. Okay, at first it's like really sugary, and then it's good. Also, yin and yang, because I love yin and yang. Because I am yin and yang. Hold up, do we got Duck Hunt in here? No, but we do got this. I become a blurry child. Do, 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 do. Hecto chat. Okay, that's gonna be good enough. If you guys don't know what this melody is, it's called Duck Hunt. If you guys were around for the NES, you guys know. Duck Hunt was amazing. I heard they remade it, but it's probably not as good as the original. Duck Hunt was great. The way the dog would laugh at you. Ooh, this one has a lot of strawberry bits. Cheers. Ooh. For Splatoon fans, even though I don't play Splatoon. I like the song. Not my brain literally not being able to listen to actual music. It has to analyze everything. So I basically know every single melody of every single song that I've ever listened to multiple times. This one be a little misshapen, but that's okay. We non-discriminatory for games. So we're all ready. If you guys don't know which song this is, it's called Seven Rings in Hand, and it's Sonic. Sorry, something like that again. It's from Sonic the Hedgehog. And it's a bomb-ass song. Bap bap. This dog is weird. Okay, he's going to get water. This one's better though. This one's also from Sonic. I'm sitting here doing song reviews and we've been sitting here for 45 minutes. Sorry, I should be doing jelly beans. This is too good. This sucks so much. Gets me so hyper every single time. Okay. Seascape for Splatoon. Night of the Wind. Oh, more Sonic. Now we're gonna put this many jelly beans in my mouth. Your lips are made of split. I'm just gonna put this giant clump of jelly beans over here. Sonic. Remind you of anything? You guys have played A Hat in Time. Lights, Camera, Action. Deadbird Studios. DJ Grooves. X. Conductor. I thought his name originally was DJ Grooves. Like as in Gru from Despicable Me. And then Z-E. Grooves. Like multiple Grooves. Like 20 million Grooves. 100 Despicable Me Grooves. Just like chilling. All laughing. Oh! Another Sonic. I'm a sucker for Pokemon. This is gonna make me cry. This just seems like this would be a Pokemon. I know this is title theme for Animal Crossing New Leaf, but we're just doing Pokemon throwbacks at this point. Pikmin! It's Pikmin. Pikmin 2. No, Pikmin 3. I love Pikmin. Oh! Ashley's song. Gary. I love Evan's castle. If only they had kept with that first melody before the beat drops. Wario! If you guys don't know this one, then you've never played Animal Crossing. This is like everyone's favorite. It's KK Cruisin'. I'm literally gonna go through all of these and just like dress up for each one of them for what I would think the dress outfit would be for it. One last jelly bean for before we go, guys. Bubblegum. Bye, guys.